Good morning, my dear students. Last class we have seen structure of a flower. So today I will show you how to dissect a flower. Dissection means we will cut the whatever specimen is there, we will cut it and we will see its part. Okay. So today I am going to dissect. This is hibiscus flower. So this is white in color. I got white color hibiscus flower. You can take any color flower. Okay. So why I took hibiscus? Because it is a bisexual flower. Because it contains both male reproductive part and female reproductive part. So we will see one by one what are the parts are there. So last class we have already discussed about its part. Let's see. This is hibiscus flower. Let's see its parts. So this is known as the petal. So one, we will call this as petal. Together we will call this as corolla. Not corona, corolla. C-O-R-O-L-L-A. Corolla. Okay, so the main purpose of the petals are to attract insects for the process of pollination, which is an important part in reproduction. So we can see different colored flowers around us. So let's see another part. So this is known as the corolla, or one we will call this as petals. Next part is, here you can see green color part. This is known as the sepal. Here you can see 5 sepals are there. Main purpose of the sepal is to give protection to the flower, protection to the petals. So this one we can take it out. We can, if we are taking it out, we will get like a cup-like structure. Okay. So together, this one is known as the sepal. Together we will call this one as calyx. Okay, so this will give protection to the, like this it will hold and it will give protection to the flower. Hope it is clear to you. So next part is, you can see here like a powder like structure. This is the male reproductive part of a flower. This is known as the androecium. Okay, so this name of this androecium is, this is known as the stamen. You can see here one stick-like structure is there. That is known as the filament, and tip of the filament you can see some powder-like structure, that is known as the anther. The anther contain pollen grains which helps in the pollination. So these are the stamens are the male reproductive part of a flower. So we are dissecting the flower. So you can use, if you have blade, you can cut it with the help of a blade. So I am cutting like that. So just cut it and open it. So inside this you can see some seed like structure, that is known as the ovule. So inside this we can see ovule, and inside that we can see some thread like structure, that is known as the style. Okay, it will go along this and it will end in this stigma, this tip. That is known as the stigma. This is the female reproductive part of a flower. Okay, so these are the male reproductive part. This is the female reproductive part of a flower. Okay, I dissected the flower, and let's see once again what are the parts of the flower. So this first one is the sepal. So this you can see different words are the different 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sepals are there. So together we will call this as calyx. So main purpose of this to give protection to the flower. Next part is petal. Petal, it will be, usually it will be colorful. White color also is there. Main purpose of the petal is to attract insects for the pollination. So together, if one, we will call this as petal. Together we will call it as corolla. Okay, this is the androecium. This is the male reproductive part of a flower. So you can see stamens here. Okay, stamens are there, that we will see later. So this one is known as the gynoecium. Gynoecium is the female reproductive part of a flower. Okay, so you can see here, this is the ovary. Inside this ovary we can see ovule. This is little small flower, so that much clearly we cannot see, but ovule is there. So ovule, after later on, these ovules will change into seed and ovary will change into fruit in the case of fruit giving plants. Okay, so here you can see in the tip inside this you can see small thread like structure that I dissected and kept it here. It is very delicate and small thread like structure. This is known as the style. In the tip of the style you can see stigma. Okay, stigma is the female reproductive part of the flower. So in some other red color flowers and all, we can see this will be red in color, so it will be a little more big and colorful. If you are getting different colored flowers, you can try it at home. Okay, so next we can see stamen. I dissected these parts and you can see it. This is the male reproductive part of the flower, most important part. So you can see, if you see one stamen, two parts are there. This like one filamentous part is there. This is known as the filament. Stick-like structure, that is known as the filament. And tip of this filament you can see some powder-like structure, that is known as the anther. This anther contains pollen grains which play an important role in pollination. At the time of pollination, these pollen grains will transfer from one flower to another flower. Okay, hope it is clear.